Step inside a $50 million smart mansion where architecture meets artificial intelligence, and Christmas becomes an orchestrated masterpiece. This is not decoration, it is design thinking elevated to spectacle. Every surface, every light, every spatial decision is shaped by intelligent systems that understand luxury, emotion, and precision. Today, we explore a home where technology does not distract from beauty, it perfects it.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The front facade sets the tone with commanding restraint. Clean modern lines of glass and stone are enhanced by AI-synchronized Christmas lighting that moves fluidly across the structure. Rather than excess, the design relies on rhythm and balance, golden light tracing architectural geometry while subtle red accents anchor the seasonal mood. This entrance does not announce celebration loudly, it signals intelligence, control, and confidence in design. Inside, the living room unfolds as a double-height statement of spatial mastery. Floor-to-ceiling glass dissolves boundaries while AI-generated holiday decor introduces symmetry and calm. The Christmas tree becomes a dynamic sculpture, lights shifting in algorithmic harmony with the room's ambient glow. Every reflection, from marble floors to glass walls, amplifies depth and warmth without visual noise. This is celebration curated by intelligence, not impulse. The master bedroom is a sanctuary shaped by personalization. AI-controlled lighting adjusts warmth and tone to create a tranquil Christmas atmosphere, replacing traditional excess with refined restraint. Festive accents appear minimal, intentional, and bespoke, never overwhelming the architecture. The room prioritizes serenity over spectacle, proving that luxury is not always louder during the holidays, but smarter and more intimate. The kitchen balances innovation with sophistication. Intelligent appliances glow subtly beneath marble and glass surfaces, while festive lighting integrates seamlessly into cabinetry and counters. Christmas design here is functional beauty, no clutter, no disruption, only precision. The space feels alive, responsive, and composed, reflecting a future where even seasonal warmth is engineered for efficiency and elegance. Overlooking the living space, the mezzanine acts as a visual connector. Glass railings illuminated by AI-driven light patterns guide the eye without distraction. From above, the home's Christmas design reveals its true strength, cohesion. Every glow, every reflection below aligns with the architectural intent. The mezzanine is not merely a level, it is a perspective. In the bathroom, luxury becomes experiential. Soft holiday lighting reflects against marble and mirror, transforming routine into ritual. AI controls temperature, illumination, and ambience with spa-level precision. Festive elements are barely visible, yet emotionally present, proof that Christmas design does not require ornamentation when atmosphere is mastered. The front yard extends the intelligence outward. Landscaped grounds respond in synchronized waves of light, guiding movement and attention. Pathways glow gently, sculptures emerge through illumination, and the mansion itself remains the focal point. The exterior design respects space, scale, and restraint, turning the property into a composed holiday landscape rather than a display. Above it all, the rooftop becomes a controlled escape. AI-embedded lighting in the flooring and railings frames panoramic views without competing with them. Fire elements add warmth while maintaining minimalist discipline. Christmas here feels elevated, quiet, intentional, and cinematic. This is celebration for those who value perspective over spectacle. The working room demonstrates how productivity and celebration can coexist. Intelligent lighting shifts between focus and festivity without distraction. Minimal holiday accents reinforce atmosphere while preserving clarity. This space proves that luxury design respects function above all, and that even Christmas should enhance, not interrupt, purpose. The backyard completes the narrative with controlled grandeur. An infinity pool mirrors synchronized lights from surrounding architecture, extending the visual language outward. Lounge areas glow softly, inviting pause rather than performance. Every element feels deliberate, unified, and responsive, an ecosystem rather than a scene. This $50 million smart mansion redefines holiday inspiration by proving that luxury is not about excess, but intention. Through AI, architecture, and disciplined design, Christmas becomes an experience, calculated, emotional, and timeless. The future of holiday living is not brighter lights, but smarter ones.